In today's video, I'll show you how to open Clipboard on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first, what you need to do is just go to your search and search for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. And after you do that, from the left-hand menu, just go inside systems. Then just scroll all the way down and you'll find something called Clipboard, which is got copy history, sync, and clear. Just expand Clipboard. And after that, make sure the first option, Clipboard History, save multiple items to your clipboard. Press logo Windows plus V to view your clipboard history and paste from it. Make sure this clipboard history is turned on. And after that, you can simply just click on Ctrl plus V and you can see your clipboard over here. And now, if I just go ahead and open a notepad and start copying things from here, I can either cut it or copy it. And after that, if I just go ahead and open my clipboard, as you can see, everything is over here. And I can paste it by clicking on it. And basically, that is how to open the clipboard on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.